You are going to love the 2024 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power retractable running boards, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.